Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning yourself. Move the seat and mirrors so your elbows are soft, not locked. Once done, place both hands on the wheel. Prefer 9 and 3 for control, or 8 and 4 if airbags or wrist comfort demand it. Keep a light but secure grip, fingers curled over the rim and thumbs resting outside the spokes. You want responsiveness without tension. Make these adjustments now so your hands are ready to act instantly when steering inputs are required. You practice steering techniques while moving. Use the push-pull method for most lane changes and corrections because it keeps both hands on the wheel and maintains control. When you must turn sharply at low speed, employ controlled hand-over-hand but return to two-handed control quickly. Make small, deliberate inputs rather than large jerks. This reduces overcorrection and keeps the vehicle balanced. Keep your eyes ahead, anticipate steering needs, and let your hands follow the planned path. You finish each maneuver by bringing your hands back to the neutral position so you're ready for the next input. If you notice slipping, either your hands slipping on the rim or the wheel pulling, pull over safely and check tire pressure, wheel alignment, and remove contaminations like oil on your hands. If grip strength is an issue, swap to a textured cover or wear thin driving gloves. Finally, practice these sequences in a safe area so your hands react correctly under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.